Meaning of make work.
Make work. Make work.
Noun. Definitions. 1. Work created or assigned merely to keep someone busy or employed, rather than to accomplish a particular task or goal. 2. Activity or tasks that are unnecessary or unproductive, but are undertaken to appear busy or justify one's existence. Examples. 1. The manager was accused of creating make-work for the new interns to keep them occupied. 2. The new employee felt that most of their tasks were make-work and didn't contribute to the company's goals.
Make work. Make work.